Best 8 Healthy, Tasty, and Easy Breakfast Recipe Collections. Here are 8 healthy, tasty, and easy breakfast recipes. Soft muffins or waffles. Ingredients: 1 egg, 100 ml milk, 1 packet muffin flour. Instructions: 1. Mix in a bowl. Beat the egg and stir in the milk until blended. 2. Combine. Add the packet of muffin flour and mix until the batter is smooth and free of lumps. 3. Prepare. Transfer the batter into a piping bag. 4. Cook. Squeeze the batter into an electric cake maker. Cover and cook on high heat for 5 minutes. These can also be made into waffles. This simple recipe is perfect for a nutritious breakfast. And anyone can make it easily. 5. Enjoy. Your fluffy sweet muffins and waffles are ready.